Jijie. So, for today's video guys, all about glass flower vase. So, ito siya. It's a glass flower vase, color red. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magbenta nito online. Kasi guys, ang dami kong flower vase dito sa bahay. Kasi yung asawa ko dati, mahilig siyang magbigay sa akin ng mga fresh flowers. So, ang dami kong vase. So, naisip ko na ibenta ko din sa online. So, ito. I'll show you. It's color red. It's beautiful. Here. So guys, sa title, ilagay nyo ay glass red flower vase. And sa description, ilagay nyo din kung anong material siya. So it's glass. And i-search nyo din kung magkano ang price online. Kung wala kayo nang bahalang mag-isip kung magkano ilagay yung price. And then, take a lot of pictures. Every angle, guys. Picturean nyo yung harapan, yung gilid, yung loob, yung likod, picturean. Ayan, yung harapan. At mas maigi, guys, lagyan nyo ng flowers. Para maganda. And then next, yung measurement. So, i-measure nyo from top to bottom. Ayan. It's 10 inches. And then, yung width niya, ayan, ganyan. Anong round, gaano siya kabilog. Ganyan. Yun nga, sa description, ilagay niyo lahat doon yung anong klase siyang base, materials, and then ano siya kahaba yung measurement. Don't forget the measurement. Para saan ba siya gamitin, kung anong klaseng occasion. And then now, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya babalutin to make it sure na secured ang pag-shipping. Kasi ito ay glass. It's a fragile. So, meron tayong bubble wrap, guys. Balutin natin siya.
Trying to feel guys, make it sure lagyan natin ng bubble wrap. Kasi glass ito.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears.
So don't forget the thank you card. That's done. So, ganun lang kasimple magpack ng glass na flower base, guys. So, lagyan ng bubble wrap. And make it sure everything may bubble wrap. Kasi, para hindi siya maggalaw-galaw. Kasi maggalaw-galaw ay mapabasag. So, hopefully guys, may natutunan kayo today. Pag bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko guys, please subscribe. It's the Jijie. And like, share, and comment down below kung may mga tanong kayo guys. And please guys, pakishare na din itong vlog na ito sa inyong mga friends. And thank you so much guys for watching. And we'll see you again next time. Thank you, bye-bye!